Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you how you can make money just by surfing the internet, or better said, how you can earn crypto by surfing the internet, okay? And yeah, I'm not getting paid and there's also no referral link or something like this. You can just download, it's a browser, it's called Brave, yeah? And you can just download here on brave.com. So how can you earn crypto by doing this? And what are the other points that could make you say, yes, okay, it makes sense to use it? So first of all, it should be faster than Chrome. Then Brave blocks all the ads, okay? Because you have to understand, usually when you're on the internet and you watch YouTube or you go to some website, there are ads, yeah? And people who run the ads pay, for example, to Google so that you will see the ads, yeah? And with the Brave browser, it works the other way around, yeah? So you can decide if you want to see an ad or not. And if you watch the ad, then you're getting paid, okay? So it's completely the other way around than usual. So, because usually, people pay, for example, Google. And in this case, you get paid by Brave to watch the ad. So it's pretty cool. I mean, I guess you won't make like crazy amounts of money, but anyway, you're using the internet every day, I guess, and you can make money by doing this. You can simply download it here, and there's also a mobile version, yeah. It has 875k reviews, yeah, and over 50 million downloads, so it's already a big thing, I would say. And anyway, you're using it on your mobile phone. I guess you're surfing the internet on your mobile phone, on your laptop or whatever, so you can just use the Brave browser and make money. So how does it work? You have the ad blocking, yeah, and also some other different things that are pretty amazing, yeah. You can see here the Brave browser compared to Firefox, Safari and Chrome. It has ads, invasive ads blocked, yeah, it does it. Cross-site trackers blocked. You can see all the check marks are here, yeah. Cookies blocked, Safari also offers it, but you see the Brave browser is actually the only one who has all the check marks here, yeah. So it's very safe. First of all, very safe, and you can also make money by using it. So how does it work? So if you download it, yeah, you can simply go here on brave.com and download it, yeah, and then it will look like this. Yeah. And if you click here, yeah, Brave rewards, this opens, okay? And I will show you. It looks like this. If you click on it, you're creating the wallet, and then you have your rewards will be earned here and stored here, okay? So you get BAT, yeah? That's the cryptocurrency that you will get. It's called Basic Attention Token, okay? And that's their own token, so to say, and that's what you get when you are rewarded. So it has a market cap of $607 million, okay? And now your question will maybe be, what can I do with this BAT? You can simply hold it, yeah, and wait until the value goes up or whatever, or you can just exchange it. You can exchange it, for example, I will show the platforms where you can exchange it. Binance, for example, yeah. Bybit. You can simply exchange it there against, I don't know what. So you can exchange it against the Bitcoin, Ethereum or whatever, or USDT. You can do whatever you want. And yeah, that's it actually. So you surf and you make money. In this case, cryptocurrency, you earn BAT. And yeah, I mean, that's a cool way to make some extra income, I would say, yeah. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.